Good morning, students. Welcome to math session. Now, children, in our previous session, we finished with our chapter number 12. In our last session, we did mental maths 12. Okay, with that, I finished our lesson, chapter number 12, multiplication. Today, we are going to start a new lesson, that is chapter number 13, division, part 1. Okay, so let us start and see what is division. Now, topic in division today we will be learning making equal shares. That is how to make equal shares in division. Now, children, division means what? Division means making equal share. Division is a concept in which you make a particular number, you divide it into equal, making equal shares. Let us see how. My mother has given me 6 sweets. Now, for example, my mother has given me 6 sweets. Okay, now let's share them equally. I have to share it equally. How I will share that 6 sweets equally? Let us see. Now here, children, I have 6 sweets. Let us count. 1, 2. Wait, I'll change the color. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This 6 sweets I have with me. I have how many kids? Okay. I have 2 kids with me. Okay. So this 6 sweets I have to distribute equally to this 2 kids. 1 girl and 1 boy. So how I will distribute them equally, this 6 sweets? Let us see how I am going to distribute this, or how I am going to share equally this sweet. Okay, so let us see. Now, children, here I gave the boy 1. Then again to the girl I gave 1. So now they are having 1 sweets. Okay. Now 1 more sweet I gave to the girl. So now she is having 2 sweets with her. And the boy is having 1 sweet. Now I gave 1 more to the boy. So now they both are having equally 2 sweets. Okay. But still 2 sweets are left with me. So what I will do? I will share 1 more sweet with the boy. Now the boy is having 3 and the girl is having 2. And I have 1 more sweet left with me. So what I will do? I will share this with the girl. Now children, see, both the kids are having 3. That means 3 sweets with the boy and 3 sweets with the girl. That means I have shared equally that 6 sweets to 2 kids. And each kid got 3 sweets. Understood, children? After sharing in equal parts, what the kids got? They both got equally 3 sweets. Okay. So this is division, and this is how we are going to learn how we are going to share equally. Next. Now there are 12 biscuits in a packet. Okay. I have a biscuit packet of biscuit. In that there are 12 biscuits. Now equal shares must be given to 3 children. I want this 12 biscuits to be shared to 3 children, that is Raju, Sanju and Anita. Okay. So how I am going to share 12 biscuits into 3, we'll see to that. Now see, this is the 3 children, Anita, Raju and Sanju. Okay. So now I have 12 biscuits with me. In a packet I have 12 biscuits. Okay. So what I will do of that 12? First what I will do? I will give 1 to Anita, 1 to Raju and 1 to Sanju. Okay. Now they are equally having 1 biscuit. Again what I will do? I have to share 12 biscuits, children. Okay. So now I gave 1 to Anita, 1 more, and it became 2. Then I gave 1 more to Raju, it became 2 with Raju. Then I gave 1 more, so it became 2 with Sanju. Now see, children, all of that 3 children are having equally 2 biscuits. Okay. So now if we see this 2 plus 2 will be 4 and 4 and 2 6. So now we have distributed 6 biscuits. Now we need to distribute 6 biscuits more. Okay. So what I will do? I will give 1 more to Anita. So now Anita is having 3 biscuits. I will give 1 more to Raju. So now Raju is also having 3 biscuits. I will give 1 more to Sanju. So now Sanju is also having 3 biscuits. That means 3 of them are having equally 3 biscuits. Okay. So children, here again 3 Anita is having, 3 Raju is having, so it will become 6, and Sanju is having 3, so it will become 9. Now I have 3 more biscuits left to make it 12. So what I am going to do, I will give one more to Anita. So now Anita will have 4. Then I will give one more to Raju. So Raju will also have 4. Then I will give one more to Sanju. So Sanju is also having 4. Now Anita, Raju, Sanju, 3. All the 3 of them are having 4 biscuits with them. So let us count and see whether I have shared equally. Let me count and see whether I have shared equally. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I have done, because I was having how many? 12 biscuits in a packet, and I shared 4 biscuits to each. So when I shared 4 biscuits to each, so 3 children got 12 biscuits. I completed my 12 biscuits. On sharing the biscuits equally, each one got how many biscuits? 4 biscuits. Okay. So each one got 4 biscuits. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 4 3s was 12. Understood? Next. Now there are pictures of some boys and girls. Count to see how many children there are. There are some apples too. They have to be shared equally among the children. Now let us see what are the pictures of. Now here children, you can see on the screen there are pictures of boys and girl. Okay. And some apples are also that. So we need to count the boys, the girl and the apple, and then we need to share that apple equally with the children. So let us count and see how many are there. Wait. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 children with us. Correct? Now let us count the apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 apples with us, and we have to distribute that 8 apples equally among the 4 children. How many children are there? 4. And how many apples are there? 8. So we need to divide or equally share that 8 apple with 4 children. Okay. So let us start. Now children, see this. There are 4 children. Now I am going to share that 8 apple with this 4 children. First I will give 1 apple to one child, then 1 to another, then the third one and the fourth one. So now now everyone is having 1 apple with them. That means 4 apple I have distributed. Okay. So now I will give them 1 more to the first child, then 1 more to the second, 1 more to the third child, and 1 more to the fourth child. Understood? So now they are having 2 apples with them. One child is having 2 apple with him or her. So now we will count and see whether we have done till 8 apples we have distributed. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, we have distributed 8 apples. The first child has got 2 apples with him. The second child is having 2 apples. The third child is having 2, and the fourth child is having 2. So each child got 2 apples. Okay. We distributed 8 apples with 4 kids, and each child got 2 apples. That means equally they are having 2 apples with them. Everyone is having equally apples. Okay. So how many apples did each child get? Each child got 2 apples. Each child got 2 apples. I hope you are understanding the concept of how you are going to share equally. Now we have 4 bananas. Let us see. Okay. Just a second children. Let me adjust the brush. Okay. Now we have 4 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to give them to 2 kids. We have 2 kids with us. 1 boy and 1 girl. And we are having 4 bananas, correct? And we have to give them to 2 kids, not 1. We have to give them to 2 kids. We need to share with them equally this 4 bananas so that both the child should get the equal quantity of bananas. So let us see how we are going to share with them equally. Now see, 1 boy, 1 girl, and I am having 4 bananas with me. How I am going to share? First I will give 1 banana to a boy, then 1 banana to a girl. Now both are having equally 1. Okay, so 2 banana I have distributed. Now 2 is left with me. What I will do? I will share 1 more banana with the boy. So now 3 bananas I have distributed. Now 1 more is left. I will give that to the girl child. So now I have given 2 to the boy and 2 banana to the girl. So all together I distributed 4 bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to the boy, 2 to the girl. So both the children are having equally 2 bananas. So understood how we distributed? We have distributed 4 bananas between 2 kids. So each kid got 2 bananas. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. Wow. Now what is this? These are the cupcakes. Now we will count and see how many cupcakes we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are having 9 cupcakes. And how many children we are having with us? 1, 2, 3. 3 children, 9 cupcakes. That means we have to distribute this 9 cupcake equally share with this 3 children. Okay. So how we are going to do? Let us see. Now here you can see 3 children are standing. We need to distribute equally that 9 cupcake to these 3 children. First 1 we have given, 1 more. 1 I have given to 3 of them. Okay. So now I have given 1. Now how many is remaining with me? 6 more. Now I will give 1 more to the girl child, then 1 more to the boy and 1 more to the boy. That means how many I have shared now? 6. I have shared 6 cupcakes with 3. That means they are having equally 2 cupcakes with them. Now 6 I have shared. 3 more is left with me because from 9 I have shared 6. So 3 more is left. So what I will do? I will again give the girl 1 more to the boy and 1 more to the last boy. So total how many each child is getting? Let us count and see. See 1, 2, 3. That means a girl got 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That means 3 of them, each child got 3 cupcakes. Okay. Each child got how many? 3 cupcakes. So we have distributed 9 cupcakes into 3 children. Understood? We have distributed 9 cakes between 3 kids. Understood children? 9 cupcakes and each kid's got 3. So 3 3s are 9. Understood? Now we will learn forming groups or making lots. Okay. Now we have seen how you can share equally in division. Division is a concept children where you will learn how the things are divided equally. Okay. Now we will learn forming groups or making lots. How you are going to form groups or how you are going to make lots. Let us see now. Now I have brought 6 mangoes. Now I am having 6 mangoes with me. Sucheta, make lots of 2 mangoes to a lot. How many lots did you get? Now children, here I am having 6 mangoes. Okay with me. How I will form a group or how I will make a lot? Now I will make a lot 2 mangoes in one lot. Okay. Again 2 mangoes in one lot and 2 mangoes in one lot. So if I put 2 mangoes in one lot, so how many lot I have made? 1, 2, 3. So 6 mangoes I have made in 3 lots, and in one lot I have 2 mangoes in each lot. Understood? In each lot there are 2 mangoes, and with 6 mangoes I made 3 lots, and in one lot there are 2 mangoes. Now next I will show you. Now here children, let us count. There were in the first slide there were 6 mangoes I told you. Now let us see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now children, here 8 mangoes are there. So let us see with this 8 mango how many lots we can make. Now if I take by 2 in each lot, if I take 2 mangoes, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I can make 4 lots. Okay. In one lot I can keep 2 mangoes in each lot, and I can make from 8 mangoes I can make 4 lots. Understood? Now if I want, I can take this 4 mangoes also in one lot and the other 4 in one lot. So from 8 mangoes I can make 2 lots also. In one lot there will be 4 mangoes. Understood? In each lot there will be 4 mangoes. So from 8 mangoes how many lots I made? 2. Okay. So you can make by 2 also you can make 4. That is 2 4s are 8. And by 4 this also you can make 4 2s are 8 also. Like in one lot there will be 4. So in 2 lot there will be 8. Understood? Now next. Now balls. Let us count and see how many balls we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we are having children 12 balls. Okay. Now let us put it in a lot. Now children, I can take 2 in one lot also. 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 10 and 2, 12. So let me count and see how many lot I have made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have made 6 lot. When I take 2 balls in each lot, so I will be able to make 6 lots. Okay. Now I can make in a different way also. I can take 3 also in one lot. Okay, 3. Then I can take this 3. Then I can take this 3 and the remaining 3. So 3 how many lots? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means if in a lot I take 3 balls in each lot, I will be able to make 4 lots. That means 3 4s will be 12. Understood? Now I will show you another also. Wait. Now if I take 4 balls in each lot, how many lots I will be able to make? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 3s are 12. So if I take 4 balls in a lot, in each lot I will be able to make 3 lots. Okay. So understood children how you are going to make lots and how you are going to make a group, or you can form a group. I hope you understood this very nicely. Making equal lots. Okay. I repeat, this is the definition of division. Making equal lots from a collection of objects. Okay. Making equal lots from a collection of objects is called division. Understood children? What is division? Making equal lots from a collection of objects. Now we were having a collection of balls. From that we made equal lots. That is called as division. Understood children very clearly? So with this I finish my today's session of division part 1. See you in the next session. No need children to write this or draw this anything in your notebook. When I will teach you how to divide and what is the particular, how you first you need to learn the basic step, then I will teach you. Now in the next session I will teach you how you are going to do the division with numbers and sums. Okay. So no need to write this in the notebook. Okay children, so keep learning and keep practicing. In the session, if you have not understood anything, you can put me your query, your doubt in the doubt clearing session. Okay. It will be my pleasure to solve your doubts. So till then children, keep learning, keep practicing. Bye. See you soon.